Molweni bafundi, we move on to lecture 10, having completed lecture 9 where we completed a form which included giving your personal details. Here we are now going to look at a physical examination and uhlolo or uxilongo lomzimba. Uhlolo or uxilongo are both words for an examination, and the umzimba is the body. And here we are actually looking at where the person or patient is feeling or experiencing inhlungu, discomfort in the form of inhlungu, pains. Some introductory questions. Uziva njani? How are you feeling? Uziva njani ngoku? And how do you feel now? Zinjani inhlungu? And how are the pains? Ukhathazwa yintoni? What is troubling you? Khathazwa, to be troubled. Yintoni, by what? Iphi indawo ebuhlungu? Iphi, where is it? Indawo, the place. Ebuhlungu, that is sore. Ndibonise, show me. Indawo, the place. Ebuhlungu, that is sore. So here we have a few new verbs. Va, which literally means to hear, but can also be can refer to experiencing via the senses. So how do you feel? Njani, how? Inhlungu, pains. Khathazwa, be troubled. Iphi, where is it? And ndibonise, from bonisa, to show. Indawo ebuhlungu, the sore place. We want to know whether the person has had this problem for a long time. Kudala unayo le ngxaki? Kudala unayo le ngxaki? Kudala, for a long time. You have had it. Now we've had this unayo with the completing of the form. Unayo is cell phone. Unayo is medical aid. So, kudala unayo le ngxaki? Ingxaki is a problem. So, have you had this problem for long? Kudala unayo le ngxaki? When did this problem begin? Le ngxaki iqale nini? Qala, to begin. Le ngxaki iqale nini? Ziphi inhlungu? Notice the use of P in this question. Ziphi, where are they? The same Z we used when we were counting objects. Inye, zimbini, zintatu. So that Z refers to them being non-human things. Ziphi inhlungu? Zihlala endaweni enye. We've had nye before, one. Do they stay in one place? Zihlala endaweni enye. Ulala nzima ebusuku. We have had a number of adverbs. Kakuhle, well, kakhulu, a lot, kancinci, a little, and now nzima, with difficulty. Ulala nzima ebusuku, do you sleep with difficulty at night? When did the pains start? Ziqale nini inhlungu? So here we've used qale twice, and notice the E ending. This is something we will be coming back to later on with the uses of verbs, but take note for now that that e refers to something that started in the past. Ziqale nini inhlungu. Zifika nini, fika, to arrive. So when do they come? When do they arrive? Zimka nini, and when do they leave? Mka is to leave or depart or go away. Ziyachisa, do they burn? Ziyahlaba, are they sharp, stabbing pains? So the Z, which we see here in every line virtually, refers to them being the inhlungu, the pains. So here we have the verbs qala, begin, lala, lie down or sleep, fika, arrive, mka, leave or go away, chisa, burn, hlaba, stab. Ziyaqaqamba. Qaqamba is to throb. Qaqamba. Ziyaluma. Luma literally means to bite. So this is a cramp which you could experience in the stomach. Ziyaluma. Ziyafika zihambe. Fika, come, hamba, go. So ziyafika zihambe. The Z referring, of course, then to the pains still. When do you feel the pains? Uziva nini intlungu. When you breathe in, xa uphefumla ngaphakathi, phefumla breathe, ngaphakathi in. Xa uphefumla ngaphandle, xa when uphefumla you breathe ngaphandle out. Xa ukhohlela, when you cough. Xa utrena, we use a slang word here for training or exercising. So qaqamba, throb, luma, cramp, fika and hamba, come and go. Phefumla, breathe. Khohlela, cough. Trena, train or exercise. Ziba mbi intlungu, mbi to get bad or worse. So ziba, do they become bi, worse, intlungu? Xa ubaleka, when you run. Xa ujima or uya ejimini, when you go to the gym. Xa usitya, when you eat. Xa ukhohlela, when you cough. Xa ulele, when you are lying down. Okay, lala is the verb lie down. Lele, lying down. Xa ndicinezela apha, when I press here. Does the pain get any better? Ziba betere or betele. You could have betere or le. Intlungu. Do the pains get any better? Xa uphumla, when you rest. Xa usitya, when you eat. Xa uzithuma, when you go to the toilet. Xa ulele, when you lie down. So here we have the verbs baleka, run. Ya ejimini, go to the gym. Khohlela, cough. Lele, be lying down. Cinezela, press. Phumla, rest. Kya, once more, eat. Zithuma, literally send yourself. Go to the toilet. Lele, of course, lying down. Xa ulele ngomqolo, when you are lying on your back. You will be given a video which detailed the parts of the body, and there you will see umqolo being the spine. So xa ulele ngomqolo, when you're lying on your back, on your spine. Xa ulele ngesisu, isisu is the stomach. Xa ulele ngesisu. Xa ulele ngecala, when lying on your side. Xa usela iipilisi, when taking tablets. Now we're testing the person's ability to move. Can you do whatever? Uyakwazi ukugoba umlenze. Uyakwazi ukugoba umlenze. Can you bend your leg? Uyakwazi ukuphakamisa intloko. Can you lift or raise your head? Uyakwazi ukuphakamisa ingalo, arm, or umlenze, leg. So we have here umqolo, the spine, isisu, the stomach, umlenze, the leg, ingalo, the arm, intloko, the head. Uyakwazi ukushukuma, can you move? Uyakwazi ukushukumisa umlenze or imilenze, can you move your leg or legs? Uyakwazi ukujika intamo, can you turn your neck? So intamo is the neck. Uyakwazi ukushukumisa iminwe, can you wriggle your fingers? Iminwe. Uyakwazi ukushukumisa inzwane, can you wriggle your toes? And finally, are you pregnant? ukhulelwe. So here we have the verbs goba, bend, phakamisa, raise, shukuma, move, shukumisa, move something, move a particular part of the body, jika, turn, and khulelwe, to be pregnant. Right, so there's quite a lot of additional vocabulary here, and we will be looking at verbs and some of the uses in the next video. So we conclude this little video once more by saying Inkosi bafundi, hambani kakuhle.